What is up, everyone? So we got the trailer hooked up to the truck, and the thumbnail probably gives it away, but we're buying a car today. It's not anything crazy, but I think it's quirky and I think it's fun, so we're gonna film it. And I'm actually really excited for it, so let's hope it goes well. Ow! Steve, get off the trailer. You're the muscle, all right?
Yeah, make sure everything goes right.
All right, guys, so this is, of course, a car that I wasn't looking for, but actually kind of. The winter is coming up, it's coming up quick, and I really wanted a winter beater to drive around, get through the snow, and not have to drive my truck everywhere the entire winter. And then also, I really wanted a car that we can kind of have everyone in the shop just run errands in. We've kind of had the mini trucks for that, but some of us are getting sick of driving the mini truck all the time.
Very.
Something cool and quirky and something I've never seen before popped up for like a really silly price. It was just kind of one of those word of mouth things, and we're gonna go buy it.
Let's go.
Hopefully.
I think so.
If it's not a giant hoopty.
Yeah, if it's not rusted or crashed.
Yeah, we'll find out. All right, let's just go get this thing and talk about it after. I'm hyped. So it's no crazy car, but I've never seen anything like it, and I think it's gonna be the perfect addition, and I'm honestly really excited for it. So.
The destination is on the left.
Do it. All right, let's go check this thing out.
I fuck with it heavy.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
So I don't like shoving the camera in strangers' faces, but they're really cool. Let's get this thing loaded up, we'll show you, and then we'll talk about it. There she is, Stevie.
Go.
I just bought a Toyota Corolla, but don't leave the video just yet. There's a lot more to it. Let's get back to the shop, and then we'll talk about it. RJ's gonna be obsessed with this thing.
You were talking about it, and I never saw the post, so I have no idea what this is. Oh, hell yeah!
Dude, look how crispy this thing is.
Oh, this thing is sick! Love this. Love this. Sturdy diesel. Wait, is it a diesel?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so check this thing out, right? So this is a 1998 Toyota Corolla Saloon. There's more things that stack on it, but it's essentially a 98 Corolla that is all-wheel drive, manual, diesel, right-hand drive. Yeah, it's a mouthful. This is sick! Dude, it's so, I don't think I've ever been so hyped to own a Corolla in my life. Like, look at this thing.
This thing is awesome.
Check it out, right? Gold badges everywhere. It's crispy.
It's got pearl paint.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Full-time four-wheel drive.
Cool, like,
Okay.
why didn't we get this as an option?
Because we didn't get anything cool.
We don't ever get anything cool. This is sick.
A lot of guys from other countries might be sitting here like, dude, my grandma had one of those. Whatever. We don't get this in the States, so it's actually really cool. Full gold badge. Real Toyota, right? Corolla. As you can tell, there's a little bit of red on there. The car was plasti dipped, so we still got to finish peeling it off. But the SE Saloon L. I don't know what any of that means.
Limited.
That makes sense, yeah. Well, still.
Did you make sure that you fit in it first?
Oh, I fit in it, dude.
Okay,
but check this out, right? This is crazy.
Thing.
It's a little rusty down here, but look it. It's a rear differential on a god dang 98 Corolla. Dude, I've never heard of this in my life, ever.
This is sick.
How dope is that?
This is so sick. This has got to be top 3 coolest things you ever bought.
The interior is like a 9 out of 10.
Oh, it's sick.
You hear me? I said it was diesel?
Yeah.
Okay, it's NA, so it's slow as.
Oh, well.
So no one's gonna get a speeding ticket in my car.
That's good because Ant is a menace when he takes cars out.
Exactly. This will keep him grounded.
78 horsepower.
That's what she said. Yeah. The previous owner said it was 78 horsepower, dude.
So cool. How much torque?
I don't know.
79.
We can't even put it on the dyno because it's all-wheel drive. Look how clean the interior is, dude.
This thing is fucking cool.
This is a Caribbean cruiser.
For sure.
For sure.
I would never guess that was a Toyota. The Triple X badge?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I guess so. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know anything about it. It popped up like a day and a half ago. My buddy was like, "Yo, I got offered this car. You want it?" And came up with a price that was just like, "Why the heck not?" And now we have the dopest shop vehicle. Wow, I love that we're so excited over Corolla. So let's get this thing unloaded and we'll poke around a little bit more. Dude, hold on, check this engine out before we go anywhere. It's I guess it's a 2.2 4-cylinder NA diesel. I don't even know the engine code. Dude, I don't know anything about this car, which is kind of exciting. It's kind of fun. So all I know is it gets over 45 miles per gallon, which is so dope.
It's gonna be crazy.
But look how clean this car is. Like, you can like anything, it's just a really nice car. Let's go for a drive. Dude, look how clean the interior. I wish you guys could smell it because it smells like a new 98 Toyota Corolla. Yes. Look at that, look at that, I love that. Usually you don't get Japanese lettering on any of like the... Previous owner did nothing but try and describe to me how slow this thing is. So 4 dudes deep, we're not going anywhere.
4 big dudes.
Speak for yourself.
3, sorry. 3.
Oh man, I have to like rev it to get it going. You know what?
It's faster than the key truck.
It's not. I know we're not going up hills yet, but it honestly feels a lot faster than I thought it would. Okay, so this thing is all-wheel drive, but I'd assume it's probably 98% more front-wheel drive than anything. So I don't know how well this thing's gonna slide, or if it will slide, at least in the snow maybe. But we still gotta try.
We'll find out.
Will the e-brake work? Yeah, this ain't doing any maneuvers. You got an armrest back there?
Yeah, but look how low it is.
Nice.
Perfect height for me.
Yeah, this interior.
What does that smell? Did I burn the clutch? I have a habit of doing that with new cars.
Probably the e-brake.
Oh! Woo! Let's try second. Oh! I kind of got this.
There it is.
Okay, I gotta not do this. This thing's too pretty to do that to it. Okay. I think that'll do.
Yeah,
It'll do.
that'll work.
All right.
We could slap it out a little bit more, but it's there. It's good starter.
Good starter for sure. Dude, I think we got a home run here, buddy.
I think so too.
You killed it, Jim.
This is it. What a car, dude.
You killed it.
What a car.
This thing's so clean inside.
Dude, it's got power folding mirrors. Do it again, Toad.
Oh
I've
man.
ever been in a situation where I actually need that, but I'm always happy my JDM cars have that.
This is the bougiest Corolla I've ever
You
seen.
think they make Ganondorfs for this thing?
Stop.
Come on, someone.
Stop.
Come on.
No.
All right, so check this out, right? So it's a 98 Corolla, but I have done no research. I'm not gonna front. I was told that it doesn't actually share many of the same parts as our Corolla, right? I'd assume the doors and stuff are the same, but I guess the front end is different. Like I guess they have different lights, even though in my eyes it looks the same, but we didn't put them next to each other yet. Obviously the grille is different. I've never seen this symbol before.
The whole front and the rear looks totally different.
So like we need a corner light for it, but I guess the parts aren't super hard to get because I'm very sure these are probably very common in other parts in the world. So people that are watching this are probably giggling that we're freaking out about it because to them this is probably just another Toyota Corolla, right? I'm assuming this is 4x100, so we can get wheels on this thing ASAP. It needs it. Dirty diesel sticker.
Coming off.
That's gotta go. That's gotta go.
Yankee Candle air freshener gotta go too.
That thing kind of slaps.
I mean, we got some freshies next door.
For sure. Okay, fair enough. Fair. Hop below, shop me out. But besides that, dude, look how clean the interior is. Like, beyond it being anything cool, it is just such a nice car.
I love the floor mats, to be honest.
Look how clean the front is, dude. even if this was the left-hand drive version, front-wheel drive, like nothing other, it probably wouldn't have been much cheaper out of the cleanliness factor of it. So I think it's a pretty cool find. So
This is a super cool find.
the goal here is to just have a nice car to go back and forth with, so I don't have to drive the truck every day, and something that will never break. And I'm pretty sure will never break. Like all the homies have project cars, so everyone's car's always breaking. So I'm always lending out cars, and I feel like this is the car to lend out. Who can get themselves in trouble with this thing?
Exactly.
Nobody.
78 horsepower.
And we'll find a way.
And we'll find a way, yeah. But so I guess the only real damage I see is the bumper's cracked, which is whatever. This will probably, a Corolla bumper will probably fit this. This little piece right here is replaceable, which is nice. And the taillight, of course, is cracked. But it doesn't seem like the parts are super hard to get for this thing, which is awesome. So
I would only assume that this car is in abundance.
it's probably in abundance in anywhere else besides here.
Yeah.
So I
You'll
guess
pay more for shipping than you do the part.
yeah, which is fine because I mean at the end of the day, the part's probably $15. So dude, and then maybe if we blow it up, all-wheel drive K series or something.
Oh, you stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Come on, but like, come on.
It would be so cool, but it's already pretty cool. Like, let it last.
I know,
a
but
while.
imagine how much cooler it would be.
It would be.
I met Kyle from Boosted Boys at SEMA, and you know now I'm just like,
Oh man. Are you intrigued and motivated?
Boosted Boy Jim. We live, baby. We gotta get a big sign because I guarantee you someone's gonna fill this thing up with gas.
Oh, this needs a green
Okay,
gas
it
cap.
does say diesel. It does say diesel, which is pretty cool.
Can
Yeah,
we spray paint this green?
we're gonna have to. 'Cause,
We're gonna need
dude,
to.
someone, Brian's gonna fill this thing up with gas.
This thing is too cool.
Diesel sucio.
Oh my God, Tony.
Look at Jesse.
Damn, that shit is tight, yo.
Come beat this thing. What do you think?
I like it. I like it a lot. This thing is fire. It's a little bit like a Camry in the front. No, yeah.
Well, it's a Corolla.
I know, but it's from Japan, so it's a little different.
I don't even know if this one came from Japan. This might have been an
No?
Islander car.
Shit was from Jamaica. Island boy.
It's an definitely.
Island boy, trying to. I should have did the haircut like that. You know what I mean? This thing is dope, bro. Oh, it's got a speed system.
A little bit. It's a little hurt, but I think that's definitely the first mod we gotta do to this thing is like put a crazy system in it. I think that's it.
A chicharron or whatever they're called.
Is that what it's?
Yeah, the plug-in.
Yeah, I'm not putting a speaker on the roof,
You
but
can put it in the back seat. Nobody's gonna be back
or in
there.
the trunk. That would do it too.
Or the trunk too, yeah. Some tints.
Tinted out, nice wheels, crazy system. We are in there.
Diesel sucio. Yeah, the carpets are far. The interior.
This thing is tight.
Johnny, what do you think, buddy? You want one?
No.
Yeah, loves it. Look at that smile on his face.
Why does the ant look so small in this thing? It's a tiny, tiny car, and he looks so minuscule in it. How?
Tiny.
see over the dash?
I'm not a black wheel kind of guy.
Stock wheels. will
Stock
look good.
wheels, just some really crispy stock Corolla wheels
Yeah, let's try to find some.
in there. Or if, I don't know, man, what would look cool, like an RPF? I don't know. No, some crispy stock wheels.
BSKFs.
Oh yeah. Dude, look at it has bronze tint. It looks so classy. Do you see the bronze tint? Now that it's Magic Hour, you could really see the bronze tint. That is so good.
I saw his face.
Let's look under the hood a little bit longer because I don't even know what I'm looking at. So it looks like the engine code is a 30E. I don't know what that stands for because I think it's a 3.0. So, dude, besides that, I don't know anything about diesels, to be straight honest with you guys. I mean, it looks like a forklift engine to me, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. So,
Look at that thing.
But I don't know what other car might share the same all-wheel drive system? Like what trans, what rear ends? I know nothing about this car, but that's gonna be pretty cool. So I'm assuming we're gonna get probably schooled pretty heavily by some of you guys in the comments, which is good. Please let me know in the comments if you know anything about this car. If there's any other engines that are compatible to this transmission, maybe we could do like a quick little engine swap.
Quick little engine swap.
I don't know. I need to chill. I need to just drive it as
Daily driver, man. Daily driver. You leave it alone.
The idea of having like an all-wheel drive Corolla that's like might be kind of fast sounds silly. So maybe we could plan for the future. A K series?
Drop right in.
Let's make it through a winner first.
We'll make it do it. I don't know. It depends. If they want to see it, they got first. You know, We're here for them. You know? They want to see it. What am I supposed to do about it, RJ? Swap it. They want to see it.
I don't know. They asked to do a lot of other things, and you went the other direction.
Fair enough. Oh, man.
I do notice no leaks.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. No leaks.
Couple cobwebs over here.
Yeah, so something about this sits right.
Yeah.
What was the miles on it?
I never even looked.
It says the timing was done in 2013.
See, look at that.
At
Well
119.
maintained.
At 119.
What's it got for kilometers on this thing?
158
Kilometers?
Yeah.
Oh, that's like
That's nothing.
For 90K.
For a diesel, dude, that
30,000
thing's
miles ago.
freshly
This thing's
broken
brand
in.
new.
It's ready for its first oil change. Oh, yeah.
You see the oil filter?
No.
Is that it back there?
Oh, you're good. It says
I'm not
replace
doing that
timing
thing.
every 100,000
Dude.
miles.
I wonder what happened if we brought this to the dealership.
Ooh, that'd be a good video.
How?
The whole video would be going to the dealership. The attack goes, oh. That's the whole video.
That's it. 2 minutes. Quick million views.
Unreal. Ugh, and it definitely, oh my god, it needs an oil change. I've never seen oil
So badly.
Oh my god. Okay, quick little tune-up, and I think we'll be good to go. Sounds like it runs great, though. I can't.
We're gonna have to make a schedule of who gets to use it because everyone's gonna want to drive it. Ant, you go last.
You're in charge of the schedule.
It's the one that needs the deep.
Perfect.
Like butter.
The diesel sucio is no longer. Adios to the diesel sucio.
Let's go clean out tires. So we just got this thing inside, and under the light, it's like a whole different color inside. It's like gray looking. Such a crazy pearl paint. Like, why is this thing so nice? You see that? And this thing isn't even like polished or anything. It's so funny. It's crazy how much I'm losing my mind over this 98 Corolla. I don't know, it's cool. And I'm confused. I don't even know if this car came from Japan. I feel like it came from the islands or something. Maybe it came from Japan. I could run the van. I don't know. It's just so quirky, and I love it. What do you think of it, Steph?
I love it.
Isn't it
I'm
sick?
so excited over it. It's like
Out of
a
all the
perfect
cars.
car.
Out of all the cars. Out of everything. Got the gold badge, the limited, the saloon. I didn't realize that meant that it was a 4-door, right?
Yeah.
So you said.
This is the top of the line.
That's it.
And it's diesel, right?
Dude, I fucking made it. Like, some YouTubers got GTRs and like R8s
and all that.
in Turbo Supras. I have a 98 Corolla SE Saloon Limited. Come on, guys.
Best bang for the buck.
TJ, Adam, DDE, who? That's it. That's it.
Daily driven JDM.
Daily driven JDM? Daily driven Jim? That's it.
That's it.
That's it. Toyotas are cool. This is interesting, and it was definitely a cool find. But we're gonna end it before I ramble on about how much I like this car anymore. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Steph.
Have a great night, everybody.